Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Mine Guardian, mainly for the coal miners helmet. Okay, so this is total coal mine helmet. Okay, so smart Bluetooth based coal mine safety monitoring and alerting system using Arduino and Bluetooth module SC05. So in this project we are using 5 volts power supply module, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, MQ4 methane gas sensor and fire sensor, Arduino Uno R3, 80 mega 328 controller IC board, 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, alarm connected to the 6th pin, HSC05 Bluetooth module connected to the 1st pin. Fire sensor A1, MQ4 methane sensor A0, DHT11 connected to the 7th pin. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and here is the 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And the sensors are MQ4 methane gas sensor, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor and fire sensor. And if anything should be happen above the value, alarm should be on. HC05 Bluetooth module, and it will send the data to Bluetooth HC05 terminal app. Bluetooth on, and I paired the Bluetooth also. Okay, so let's start with the power supply. Okay, so here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. Okay, and here is the reset button. Okay, then press the app, Bluetooth module, smart helmet for coal mine using wireless sensor network, smart. Okay, T for temperature, H for humidity, MQ4 methane gas sensor, and there is no fire alert. Okay, and this is our total block diagram of the project. Let's give the fire alert. Okay, otherwise you can go for the fire alert. 2 LEDs on, fire alert. Okay, and we are going for the MQ4 methane gas sensor. So we are providing the methane gas to the MQ4 methane sensor, and if 200 above crossed, okay, yeah, methane gas alert. Okay, so now temperature, I am increasing the temperature using doop stick. Okay, through sensor. Temperature is increasing. 32, 34, 36, 38. If temperature crossed 40 above, then alarm on. Okay, temperature crossed above 40 above, and gas sensor 200 above, if fire equal to yes. Okay, now I am providing the humidity through my mouth. Okay, humidity 90 above, 80 above. Yeah, humidity came 85, humidity alert. And here is the power supply board, MQ4 methane gas sensor. Okay, HC05 Bluetooth module, 9600 baud rate, 2.4 GHz frequency, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, and fire sensor. Okay, IR photodiode fire sensor and alarm, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, and whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, and 5 volts power supply mode. Here we are using Bluetooth terminal HC05 app, and this is our total block diagram of the project. Okay, fire sensor, fire equal to yes, gas sensor, Okay, 181 gas alert, 180 above, and temperature humidity using dub stick. Thank you.